Hey everyone, Dan from Livernois Motorsports here. Thanks for watching our videos. So we're back again with our 2021 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon 392. That's pretty long. So really excited to be able to work on this thing. So we did already baseline this in the previous video. We went ahead and did our calibration on this thing. Did a lot of the stuff that we normally do to the 6.4 calibrations on other vehicles. So a lot of that's the same philosophy on this truck because it is a very, very similar engine. This thing picked up a ton of power. If we look over here in the graph, stock it was 395 like you've seen before, 413 with the tune. So peak to peak is really good gains. You know, that's close to 20 horsepower, but that doesn't really tell the story. The real story is somewhere between the 4 and 4,500 range. Has a huge dip right here. We got rid of that. You're almost 40 horsepower right here, and it looks like it's over 40, 45 foot-pounds right there. So somebody with this kind of vehicle is really going to appreciate that middle horsepower gain, especially if you're in the sands or, you know, doing some rock crawling. The other thing is drag racing this truck. This thing is really impressive. Guys have already gone 13.0. We've got a couple customers that have run these things at the track, crazy. We got one guy that's been 12.9. Just before it gets to the end of the quarter mile, it kind of hits the speed limiter. So with our calibration, that's one thing we do to address that, right? Get rid of the speed limiter. Hopefully that 12.9 with better transmission tuning, no speed limiter, maybe get in the 12.5 range, maybe even a little faster than that. So super impressive. A lot of cool things that come with this. This will get our normal calibration that we do on flex fuel. So guys will be able to run E85 and gasoline with the same calibration. We are working on that right now. But overall, first stab at this thing, that's super impressive for us. Stay tuned, we got a lot of cool things for this. Well, one thing I didn't want to forget, our tuner does do tire gear on 2021 Jeep Wrangler. So guys that are going to put larger tires, smaller tires for drag racing or whatever, you can go in the tuner and make the adjustment. So anyway, stay tuned. Thanks for watching our video.